Hi everybody, in this video I will show you how to create a store procedure and you can use it in your Informatica. So creating a store procedure or function is pretty easy actually. You have to write create or replace, then you have to mention procedure. If you're writing a function, then you're going to write here function because I'm creating a procedure, so I put procedure here. And then procedure name. If you have any parameters, then you have to create a bracket. Because I have parameters, I'm going to get ID in, so that's why I put ID and I put in because I'm getting it, and then ID type is a number, data type is a number, and I will send back commission. So commission I will calculate in the store procedure here, and this commission I will send it back to the Informatica. That's why I said out here, and this is the number data type. So and after that you close the bracket and put as here as, and then you if you need to create any variables for your calculation, then you can create variables here because I need uh, a variable for my salary, so that's why I create a my salary variables, because you cannot use this salary column from your employee table state. You cannot do that, so you have to use this value to your calculation, and that's why I create a my salary variable so that I can use this column value. And then you're going to write select salary into my salary. This salary will go into my salary from your table name employee, where employee ID equal, this is the number ID will come in for you. So that's why I put ID here. Okay. Now, next line, you're going to do the calculation. So you are sending back to the Informatica commission, right? So this is something you're sending back. So that's why you're going to write commission here. And this is the syntax, and my salary times your business logic is just simple, is 2%. That's it. So whatever your salary times 2%, that's it. This is your commission amount. So that's why you put my salary times 0.02, and that's it. You don't need this exception. Only time you need this exception if you are expecting a different wrong employee ID. But I'm using Informatica, and Informatica will use database employee table employee ID, so it will never be wrong. It is always going to be right. So that's why I don't need this exception. And then close the end. Any store procedure function, you have to use begin and end statement. This is important. This is compiled successfully. So now, before I use in Informatica, let's check it over here if it works or not. So in order to check it out, you have to create an anonymous block. So again, I create a block here, and I'm going to create some variables. So that's why I put declare statement, declare ID number, result number, begin and end, and inside your store procedure or function name, and the parameter value that you need to send. So I'm going to send ID. I can just write like this, 100. I can write like this, and in that case, I don't have to write 100. I can just write ID. It's like dynamic, and this is the result I'm going to get back, right? So let's see. So because I created the store procedure and I only have like DBMS output line high, so that's why I got high here. So let's do this. Let's, instead of high, let's put commissions, right? Let's do put commission. Now I have to compile it because I changed something here in my procedure. So now it's compiled successfully. Now let's over here. Now you're going to see the number. You see 0.02. Okay. So now our procedure is working. Now we can easily use this procedure in our Informatica or IICS mapping. So create mapping. So mapping name, give a meaningful name here. Click source. So connection is Oracle database and source schema. Okay. Source type single object, and your object is Oracle table. Actually, my object is Oracle table, and this is my table. Click here. Now you need to get Sql transformation. Click SQL. Click here SQL. Connection is Oracle database and source schema. By default, it will choose store procedure here. If you want to use a function, you can choose the function, or you can use SQL query. But mine is store procedure, so I will not do anything here. And choose the store procedure. So I have only one store procedure. It's right here. Select that one. Click OK. Now, input fields. So my input field is ID. That will come to me. That will come to this procedure. So it's automatic here, ID. Now you have to do the field mapping. So field mapping, this ID will map with this employee ID only. So you're gonna bring it over here. That's it. What is the output field? What are you gonna send it back? You're gonna send it back commissions. This is the commissions, and data type is double. This is it from here. Now click here, go to the target. So your incoming field will only have one field, commission. Why? The reason is your SQL transformation is sending only commission, nothing else. So that's why your target has only incoming field commission. But I want other fields too. So that's why I'm going to click here. I'm going to click there, connect this. Just move it like this a little bit so you can easily see. So now you go to the target and you will see your incoming field has more fields now. Yep. So this commission is coming from SQL and rest of them are coming from your employee table, EMP table. Now let's go to the target, connection Oracle database, source schema, single object. The table name is, this is my target table, EMP commissions. Okay. If there is any data, I want to truncate that data. Okay. Now, these are my target fields, and let's do the field mapping. So now none of the fields are mapped yet. Okay. So you see over here, it's a option manual, and then over here, auto smart. Click here, auto map. Sorry, click here, smart map. See, all the fields are mapped properly. All of them. If something doesn't map properly, you do it by yourself, and then click save, and then let's run it. Okay. That's it. Yep. Success 49 rows. Now let's go to the table. The table name actually commissions. This is my target table. Sure. Okay, let's run it. Yep, you can see it's populated properly. Thanks for watching the video.